Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people in the gym are wasting years of progress. Not because they don't work hard, not because of bad genetics, not because of the wrong program, but because their form sucks. They squat with their lower back, bench with their shoulders, deadlift with pure ego. And then they wonder, why am I not getting stronger? Why do my joints hurt? Why am I stuck? Here's the truth. Bad form doesn't just increase injury risk, it literally steals muscle growth. Because the muscles you want to train aren't even doing the work. So today, I'm going to break down the 3 most important exercises in the gym. Squat, bench press, deadlift, step by step. Simple, clear, so you can lift more weight, build more muscle, and train pain-free for years. Let's fix your form. Part 1. Why technique matters more than weight. Most beginners think strength equals weight on the bar, but that's not true. Strength equals force applied by the target muscles. If other muscles compensate, you're not stronger. You're just cheating better. And cheating limits growth. Good form targets the right muscles, improves stability, increases force production, reduces injuries, allows progressive overload, which means better gains, faster, for longer. So technique isn't optional, it's the foundation. Part 2. The squat. Common mistakes. Look around any gym. You'll see half reps, heels lifting, knees collapsing, rounded backs, ego weights. That's not a squat, that's survival. Step-by-step setup. Bar position. Grip tight, upper back, locked, feet shoulder width, toes slightly out. Big breath, brace core. Sit down and back, not just down. Knees track over toes. Chest proud, full depth, then drive through midfoot. Stand tall, repeat. Key cues. Spread the floor. Chest up, brace like someone will punch you. Muscle focus quads. Glutes core, upper back. If you feel mostly lower back, your form is off. Fixed drills, pause squats. Goblet squats, tempo squats, wall squats. These teach control fast. Part 3, the bench press. Most people turn bench press into a shoulder exercise, which is why shoulders hurt. Set up eyes under bar, feet planted. Slight arch, shoulder blades squeezed. Chest up, wrists stacked. Lower bar to lower chest, not your neck, not your stomach. Elbows 45 to 60 degrees. Press back and up, not straight up. Why this matters. Better chest activation. Safer shoulders, more stability. More weight lifted, instant strength gains just from setup. Common mistakes. Flared elbows, loose back, bouncing half reps all reduce gains. Fixed drills. Paused bench dumbbell. Bench slow eccentrics. Spoto press control equals growth. Part 4. The deadlift. Deadlift is the most butchered lift in the gym. People either squat it, or stiff leg it, or yank it with their back. None are correct. Set up bar over midfoot. Shins close, hips back. Chest up, lats tight, big brace, push the floor away. Don't pull the bar. Bar stays close. Stand tall. Lock glutes. Lower with control. Feel it in glutes, hamstrings back, not just lower back. Fixed drills. RDLs, paused deadlifts. Block pulls, hip hinge practice. Learn the hinge first, then load. Part 5. Programming advice. Don't max out every week. Master technique first. Film yourself. Start lighter. Perfect reps, then add weight. Because perfect reps build strength. Messy reps build injuries. Part 6. The long-term mindset. Here's what nobody tells you. The strongest lifters look smooth, controlled, efficient. They don't fight the bar. They move with precision because strength is skill, and skill takes practice. So treat every set like practice, not ego lifting. If you fix your form, everything improves. More strength, more muscle, less pain, longer career. So next time you train, lower the weight a little. Focus on control. Master the movement. Your future physique will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments which lift you struggle with most. And I'll see you in the next one.